He.
Ha.
Yes. Today we are going to have a folk tale. In the Igbo culture, we don't say story, we say ifo he. Ha.
Ha.
The story we are going to have today, the folk tale, is entitled Olamma and the King. Once in a kingdom lived a very beautiful girl called Olamma. Olamma means exquisite jewels. There lived also the king of the kingdom, who had 2 wives but had no children, no heir to take up the throne in case his ancestors called him. So the people of the kingdom were so concerned because they loved their king. The king was very good to them, very generous, in short, a very good man. So one day they visited the king. Your Royal Highness, age is not on your side. We want you to get an heir for this kingdom. We want somebody who looks like you, who will inherit every good quality that you have. We want you to take another wife. Take a 3rd wife, and let's see what the gods can do. The king was happy and instructed the town crier, who went around the village, who went around the kingdom. Every man, woman, every maiden of this kingdom is expected to come on the next Eke market day. Come to the village square. Our king is going to choose a wife. Ha! The whole kingdom was agog. People were happy. Oh, finally, our king is going to have an heir. Every family wanted to be the in-law of the king. So they all got their children ready. On that day, the square was filled with people. All kinds of people. Even some young men who came to see any good girl that the king did not choose. Maybe they will choose those ones to be their own wives. Everybody was now coming out, parading their daughters, beautiful daughters. The king was looking. Everybody was looking. Where is Olamma? Where is Olamma? Some women in the crowd suddenly erupted. Where is Olamma? It's true. Olamma is not here. And she's the most beautiful girl in this kingdom, wanting to be the king's wife. Where is she? Why are you people looking for Olamma? This morning when she heard that the king was going to choose a wife, she ran away. The uncle said, what? Olamma ran away? It is not true. It is not true. People echoed. The uncle said, that is true. He said, but your 2 ill-behaved daughters are here. Where is Olamma? As they were shouting, their voices attracted the attention of the king. What is going on? What is going on there? Your Royal Highness, it is about a beautiful girl in this kingdom called Olamma, but she's missing. Why is she missing? Ask the uncle. One man shouted, go and fetch that girl wherever she is. The uncle left. And before you knew it, the whole place erupted. Olamma has arrived. Yes, this is the only bride fit for the king. Look at her. Very elegant, very beautiful. But Olamma had her 2 hands in her dress pocket. She was not moved by the crowd, by whatever they were saying. Merely the king saw her, said, that's my bride. And everybody was happy. The king took Olamma to his house. Olamma had her 2 hands in her dress pockets. The 2 wives of the king, they were not happy. Come. What are we going to do to that girl? She has come to take up her position very soon. You know, if she has a child now, the king will make her the queen. What do you think? Don't worry. We will frustrate her. She can never be the queen of this kingdom. The two women conspired. Have you noticed that she has her two hands in her pockets? She doesn't bring them out. Something must be wrong with her. Yes, I agree with you. Don't worry, we'll watch her. Olamma was very happily settled in her heart. They will go to her. Why are your two hands always in your pockets? Why don't you bring them? We don't see when you eat. We don't see when you bathe. We don't see. Olamma kept quiet. One morning, Olamma went to take her bath. Unknown to her, the two women stuck behind her. Immediately she removed her clothes. Hey! I knew it! I knew it! We knew it! They shouted and ran to the king. Olamma didn't know what to do. Your Highness, yes, you said we couldn't give you air. You brought a new girl. Do you know your new wife does not have hands? The king was surprised. What do you mean my new wife has no hands? We caught her. We saw her in the bathroom now. She has no hands. Okay, if that is the case, let's see what happens. Someone the town crier for me. The town crier came. Tell the whole kingdom. I want them to gather at the village square. My new wife is a liar. I didn't know she has no hands. And I married her. We will bring her out on that day. And if it is true that she has no hands, you know what the punishment will be. The town crier, also disappointed, went about, summoned the whole town. In 4 days, gather at the village square. Olamma didn't know what to do. She was an orphan, but lived with this wicked uncle. So she went to the riverside. My father, my mother, why did you leave me? Look at what is happening to me. I have no hands. And the king married me. Now see, his two wives have discovered it. And I'm now in trouble. Olamma cried. After that, she left. The following day, Olamma went back to the river. Started crying again. Oh, the gods of my land. The gods of my father. Help me. Look at my hands. I have no hands. And these people will banish me into the evil forest if they find out. What is your problem, little girl? Olamma turned, and behold, an old woman. She was frightened. Don't worry, don't be afraid. Just tell me, what is your problem? Still shivering. The king married me. And the two wives discovered that I have no hands because I always put them in my pockets. Let me see the hands. Olamma brought them out. Wow, what happened to your hands? My uncle cut them off. Why? He said he didn't want me to marry before his daughters. Okay. Put the hands inside the water. Dip them in. Olamma dipped her two hands. And when she brought them out, behold, jewelries. The hands were now complete. 10 fingers, jewelry, diamonds, gold, everything. Olamma was looking. She couldn't believe what has just happened to her. Okay, put them back in your pocket. I want you to continue to pretend that you are still crying, that you are miserable. Let those two women continue to think that you are miserable until that day. Olamma thanked the woman and went home. The women were still very happy. When they saw Olamma, they would start to giggle, talk, say all kinds of things. Olamma would keep quiet. Olamma, come and eat. No, I'm not hungry. Olamma, won't you take your bath? I've taken my bath. It's a lie. Would you see when you took your bath? I've taken my bath. On that day, on that said day, the women were the first to get to the square. Other people were gathering. People were gathering. And then all of them gathered. The king arrived. Now, I don't know that we have a liar in my kingdom who tricked me into marrying her. We have to find out if Olamma has hands or she's been lying. No wonder her 2 hands are always in her pockets. And I didn't think. A king didn't think. Bring her out. They matched Olamma. They matched Olamma. She was exhausted. They matched Olamma. She was not crying. Oh, the gods of my land, save me. They brought her there. Olamma, I, as the king of this kingdom, I command you, bring your 2 hands out of your pockets. Reluctantly, shaking, as if crying. Oh my God. Olamma, gently. Oh, boom! Behold, the 2 hands were complete. Bejeweled, bejeweled. The women, everybody. He said, no, we know what we saw. We saw her, she doesn't have. What is this? Is it magic or what? No, she's lying. The 2 women were shouting. And in the meantime, people in the crowd, many were happy. Oh, I told you she has her 2 hands. The king was still moping. The king was moping. Are these jewels? Olamma, you have hands? Yes, your royal highness. Yes, my lord, I have. Oh, no wonder you'll be hiding. Oh, you're hiding it from these wicked men so they won't steal your jewels. Your jewels, eh? She still had her hands like this. Still had her. How? Oh, people started talking. They started exclaiming, exquisite jewels. That's why. Oh, no wonder. Olamma, that's the meaning. Exquisite jewels. No wonder this girl has been hiding her hands. Very humble girl. There are girls who will have this kind of jewelry. Nobody in the kingdom will hear. Everybody will know that they are very rich. But look at this girl. All these things are jewelry. Diamonds, gold, name it, coral beads are all on her hands. And she's hiding them. And people, these women are saying that she has no hands. Who is there? Where are those men? Match these 2 women. Where is Olamma's uncle? Bring him out. Okay, you know where to take them. They took the 2 of them. The women were protesting. We know what we saw. I know what I saw. I saw her. She has no hands. Unless she's a spirit. If she's a human being, I saw her. She has no hands. When did she get 2 hands? Oh, the gods of our land. They matched them. Amidst their protests, they matched them. Olamma stopped crying. The king got up, went to the center, held Olamma's hand. Everybody started shouting, our queen, our queen, our queen, our queen. The king took Olamma home. And like they said, how they said, all else is history. Olamma became the queen. Olamma had children and heirs, many heirs for the king. And for many years, they live happily ever after. If he